Hello, welcome to the tip of the week. So transmission measurements are a really good way to see into your sample. You have a lot of control over the sensitivity if you can control the path length of your sample, and you can learn a lot about your sample's chemistry just by the FTIR spectrum. So let's look at how you can make a small sample holder really quick by just having a few basic items. To make our small sample transmission holder, we're going to start with a disposable sampling card. And to use these, you bend at the crease, and the back side has an adhesive. Just pull off the backing, stick them together. Now I've got two hole punches. One has a diameter punch of 3 millimeters and the other a diameter of 6 millimeters. Now we know this center point needs to be 1.5 inches up by 1 inch over. Took a ruler and drew a line through my 2-point, and now I've got a target to use my punch. So I'll go ahead and slide it in and then go ahead and punch. And once I made my punch, you can see the new 3 millimeter aperture right through the center. So let's now take a look at a spectrum made with my new sample holder. So thanks for watching this week's tip, and we'll see you next week.